This giant heirloom beefsteak tomato weighs 2 3/4 pounds. It's not from a lab and it's not from a factory farm. This beautiful tomato is straight from these gorgeous tomato plants right beside me. I'm gonna walk over here and show you another group of tomatoes. These are plum tomatoes. As you can see, they're huge. A few of those beautiful plum tomatoes, and you've got a whole pot of spaghetti sauce. They are grown organically and sustainably without a single drop of pesticide. Now sure, this tomato's not perfect. It's got a funny shape, and part of it isn't completely ripe yet. But here's what I want you to know. This tomato is superior nutritionally, chemically, and also biologically. I'm Dr. Joanette. I'm a physician and a longevity expert. I'm also the creator of the Longevity Switch. Farmer Fred and I have been practicing organic and sustainable gardening for many years. And the results, let's just say, they speak for themselves. 2 3/4 pound tomatoes, giant bell peppers, and sometimes we get as many as 15 to 20 squash from a single plant. You can see a few of the pumpkin and squash plants here behind me. Here's the truth that most people don't realize. Those perfect tomatoes that you get in the grocery store, they have been bred for appearance, not for their nutrition or their flavor, and definitely not for longevity. They are often picked way too early, shipped 1,500 miles, and they lose up to 50% of their vitamin C by the time it hits your plate. Meanwhile, here in my garden, it runs on rainwater, thanks to a collection system that Farmer Fred built. We feed the soil over 100 yards of composted organic matter every single year. I also minimize mechanized tilling to protect the soil's bacteria, fungi, and beneficial organisms because a healthy soil grows that healthy food. I grew up in a blue zone. That is where people regularly live to be 100 plus years old. They grow their own food organically and locally, sustainably. And the lessons that I learned growing up, I have scaled them to work in modern life. Let's talk about the science of organic gardening. There's a study out of UC Davis that showed organic tomatoes had up to 55% more vitamins and 139% more total phenols than conventionally grown tomatoes. Another study out of the Rodale Institute, it was a 40-year study, and it looked at organic methods, and they showed that they used 45% less energy, and they built up 28% more topsoil while producing comparable yields. So yeah, science backs up organic gardening. Now, I know what you're thinking. But Dr. Joanette, I don't have 10 acres of land or a greenhouse. That's okay. You can start small. Grow some herbs on your windowsill. Try some container gardening or join a local community garden or support your local organic CSA. You don't have to grow everything you eat. Just grow something. And if you're still watching this, make sure that you subscribe right now because I drop science-backed gardening and longevity tips every week. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. As a longevity expert, I've got to say this. Your food becomes you. So when your food comes from dead soil, sprayed with chemicals, your body knows it. But when you eat real living food from nutrient-rich soil, your body thanks you with giving you the energy, the immunity, and the long-term health that you deserve. So if you want to flip that longevity switch and grow the kind of food that will help you live longer and be stronger, you are in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and like this video. Go to my website, growwithdrjoanette.com, for more tools, tips, and ways to start your longevity journey, one tomato at a time. That is a delicious tomato. Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. Joanette, and we'll see you next time on the Dr. Joanette channel.